Start streaming. And this should start stream. Live? Are we live?
It says live.
Excelente. Okay, so here we go. So, oh, fucking A.
Yo.
This is gonna be a pain. Because we have this. And then we have this.
Yeah.
And then we have this. Okay, so we need to go, where the hell did the, oh no. So I can't even bounce between these because of the crap. I hate ad blockers. Okay. So we're going to have to bounce between here. We're going to share screen. And we're going back over to here. Okay. So
We back.
as we did last week, we go in. I'm going to actually increase this because it's freaking small.
We're going to show you guys. Walk through this process again. If there's any questions, you have to click on the calendar.
Get the hell out of here. I don't care. Go away. Okay, calendar, that thing.
Calendar. You want
And
to
then we
go
do-
the 3rd through the 10th.
3rd through the 10th.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like when they do... Okay. Apply.
Apply. No, if I'm being honest, this week's probably going to be pretty weak because if you go to any like X calendar thing, it tells you like there's no very few closed-ended funds going on this week, so this is just mainly stocks. So we're going to come up with the best list we can.
And if we don't have enough, we're just going to do what we're going to do, and he'll add or he'll figure stuff out on his back end. So that's what happens, because it takes way too long to actually come up with the ones to fill in if we don't find enough tickers.
The first one will be that BRX.
BRX. We're just going to add BRX.
Put your cap locks on.
Oh, caps lock. Okay.
And the second one's going to be that CD Zip. I never even heard of that one.
CD Zip.
Yeah.
So that's 2 already. Not too shabby.
Well,
CD Zip.
CD Zip. That doesn't mean that we're going to
Keep them.
keep them. It's just like looking at the list here.
Okay. What are you looking for again?
We're looking at the dividend amount, and you're looking at the type over there, which wants to be 3 month or 1 month.
So 12 months are pretty not really a good thing.
The only time it'd be a O is if it's a special dividend, but even then you gotta like know the companies, and then you look the yield on the far right there.
Yeah, so anything super small is a no-go.
Try that one,
FMDP.
LFMDP. I've never even heard of that one either, man. We're just going we're going the obscure route this week.
LFMDP. Did you see any other ones before that? I kind of was just floating the hell around.
No.
Okay. LFMDP, 9.9, 7.53 month.
I'll do MRP.
MRP.
And again, we do this to take the large swath and narrow it down. And then we go into the...
And this gives you a quick win, because when they go Ex-Div like this, we use the Ex-Div sort.
Yeah.
You can get a real fast payout.
So, TWO.
I remember seeing 2 somewhere. TWO.
I don't know what that one below it is. It looks like it's the same thing as 2.
Lapa.
Go look that up. LPA.
Lapa.
Lapa.
Lapa. Word. Trash. What the hell is that?
Bank? What the fuck is that?
Bank man.
No, I don't like that one because it's an other.
Oh, other. Okay.
And it has, I guess that's pesos or some shit. That one's good. BNS.
BNS.
I know that one's good. Like that will actually be on the list.
Probably. Benenesis.
Circuit. What the fuck is that? I don't like that one. 6 month. Never mind.
And
that one's good.
FNLC.
And like as you do this more, you'll become more familiar. SAR is a good one. Oh yeah, do LSTR.
SAR. Wait, don't. What are we doing? LSTR. Lester.
LSTR.
And what was the other one?
SAR.
SAR. I feel like we did
SARS.
that. I feel like we did that one before. What's that one? That's an other. Do you always skip the others?
No.
Oh, that's another Bank Marindi.
BDN,
BDN? BND?
I think that one's going to be shit. But we'll see.
BND. BDN?
BDN.
Transposing. Struggle is real.
And Opera. I know Opera. OPRA.
Where are you at? Way down there. Did you? Okay. OPRA.
OPRA. The Opera, like,
we just bought a whole bunch of that.
Just bought a bunch of that one, so I know that one's good to roll.
Very good.
MAIN.
Maine.
Yeah.
For sure, skis. Tigo.
Tigo and Maine, so Maine and Tigo.
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 I hope Tigo's on the list. That's hilarious. Those are too low. Five. Chinka Bank?
Yeah, I don't
Chonga
like the name of that.
Oh, that's
one.
other. I don't like the name of that one.
I don't like that one. That one, possibly. Yeah, do that one.
CHBH?
CHBH.
CHBH. Those are prefers or something, right?
Yeah, they are. I'm not necessarily opposed to preferreds, but they have to be like in a good company. GIS.
GIS. Okay. Whoa. Way too far. What is that one? KRG.
Yeah, do KRG. And that's
KRG.
looks like it's it.
How did you scan that far? Because I've been doing this for years.
You do this 52 times a year for like 3 years.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there. Toronto Dominion Bank.
Well, that one's...
Meh.
Bank of Nova Scotia is better, but...
Bank of Nova Scotia. Okay, so again, investing.com, the dividend calendar. I feel like I should probably save this somewhere to my stuff.
The dividend calendar.
Okay, so we have that.
Now we go into Schwabi.
Okay, new commentees. Into the Schwab.
BRX is the first one.
BRX. Alright.
What we're doing here is we're basically... just click on right there. The blue part.
I did something not good.
Okay.
For your happy things.
There we go. So let's look at it. It has a B rating, so I mean that's something, huh?
A B rating.
Okay, so scroll down.
And that chart.
That chart is...
Current year? We need to change that, right?
I just do, year to date, current year.
Oh, okay.
The chart's traded sideways. That's pretty good for accumulated shares.
Very nice. Avoid.
Avoid. OSEG says 30.3.
Oh, it says buy.
Yeah.
30.39, so it's undervalued for that. Dividend.
It's 31 cents.
31 cents. And what is our...
Non-GAAP is 31 cents, so it covers it.
But this was quarterly. Does that matter?
No, that's good. The earnings are reported quarterly.
Okay.
24.9 cents.
Oh, it's the monthly ones we have to add 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that one could go on the list.
You didn't even look at the thing yet. No, you did look at the thing yet. Never mind. Oh, now I have to remember how to do this. Net profit, 24.7.
24.70.
Is that?
Yeah. Profit margin.
24.7.
I understand as a REIT that it obviously should be going from funds from operations or the adjusted funds from operations, but like to make it apples and apples, we just do all this.
And we do 4P, right? 24.96.
Yeah, forward price to earnings is what I use.
24.96. See if I can remember this. Versus, oh no, we're having problems already. Where's my yield at?
So you
6
have
points, 4.67.
1.5.
What?
So X date is 1.15.
Okay.
Dividend was 31 cents.
30.75.
So 31 cents.
Okay. You round it up. Buy up to and current. So current was, what did you do as current?
Is that close?
26.38?
26.38.
No. 26.38. And are you going with the LSEG?
Yeah.
We don't have to look up that other thing?
No.
LSEG. Oh, I actually kind of remembered some of this. That's a plus for me. 30.39.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You have to go into the sector. Remember, go up to the top.
This is the part I forgot.
Retail
I got all
rates.
excited for myself and then sucked. Okay. So valuation.
Valuation.
You should let me try first.
Okay.
2605?
Mm-hmm. Ooh. So that one
Okay. C-dip.
looks good, but the value, like the pure P price to earnings ratio, and then compared to its sector is kind of
CD zip.
What the hell is this? I never even
I
heard of
have
this.
no idea. CAD zip?
Oh, this is a preferred. Okay. We're going to learn something new here.
Should we look at the underlying?
Well, first thing you want to look at is face at issue is 25, so that means the callback or the par price is 25.
Okay. And we're at 1959, so that's good if it's under.
Yeah. And scroll down.
Whoa.
Price is whatever. At least the price doesn't matter. So it's 11.22 yield on 1.5. So type all that in the chart. 1.5.
Tell me what's type. You said 1.5.
1.5.
2026.
Go back to Schwabi.
11.22.
0.55 11.22.
0.5 what?
0.55.
That.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what?
And then you want to scroll all the way to the top.
Price?
1960.
19. Well, it's not a 9.
Next buy up to would be 25. Because you don't want to overpay.
Yep, you never want to go over the par.
Now you want to go back into Schwab. And you
Okay.
see that over there on the right where it says common stock of issuer, CDZI.
Where?
On the right, common stock of issuer, CDZI.
CDZI?
Click on that.
Oh. Okie doke. Water utility.
Mm-hmm.
I know you're all about utilities right now. Projection 2026. Especially water.
So this one is ass, but let's look. The beauty of preferreds is it doesn't really matter if this part here is butthole because preferreds are paid out before common shareholders.
Yeah, they're kind of like a bond.
But there are some things we have to look at. The first thing would be the chart. Scroll down. What are you doing? You just like
I'm hovering until you tell me because I don't know what the hell's going on with the preferred.
LSEG says 12.50 for that, so that's really good. It's a buy.
Okay.
Okay, scroll down. Doesn't pay a dividend. Its earnings was negative 0.1.
Okay.
Okay, scroll down.
Seems sketchy.
Its profit margin's really garbage.
Oh my god, 206. Do you really think it could even pay the preferred?
Scroll down. Let's just see here. Let's look at. You've passed it. Their debt. See, this is what you want to look at for preferreds. Their debt has increased a lot the last year. It went up. What is that, like 30-some%?
Now this is also where macros may come into play here, right? Because water with AI cooling situations,
Yeah.
they may be investing in
So click
stuff.
on the income statement, the second one. So its revenue has gone up,
Yeah. See,
but everything else is the net income's down.
looking poopy duke.
Cash flow. Cash flow. Right next to where you clicked on.
Am I supposed to be highlighting it?
Go scroll up.
Oh, sorry. You should have said cash flow statement.
Okay, and then go back up to the earnings section. Right there, click on show more. So it has a good growth rate.
I would imagine this one probably isn't on the list, but this might be a flyer.
No.
No?
There's too many red flags.
Too many red
even
flags?
As a preferred. Like what I was looking at there is I was looking at the debt. The debt is pretty high for it only generates $9 million in revenue, and its debt is at like $57 million or whatever it was.
Well, and we've never heard of this company, right? This could be one that just goes belly under or gets bought out or something. So just delete.
Yeah, delete that one.
Delete. LFMDP. LFMDP.
So we have like that's one of the that was a fun one. I think we should get more of those just because that's very difficult to like.
LFMDP.
It's another preferred. Excellent.
Well, there you go. We got another one. I apparently find stuff.
So 25 and it's at 2165.
What is this? Callable.
It's a preferred share.
I know, but what is it? What's the underlying life med? What the hell's that?
Okay, that looks good. So put all that information in the chart, and then we'll go into
Super sideways. You want me to put information in the chart?
No, we'll go into our diff chart. So you want scroll? Can you?
I don't understand what you're asking
scroll
me to
down to the 1555 1034
1555 1555
55. What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
10.34. And scroll up. It's 2165 and it's 25. Oh, we have to go look at the other company now. Let's go look at that.
So is that where we're clicking here?
Yeah.
Common stock of Lifafumder. So Life Med, healthcare tech. Ooh.
And you'll see like
350?
what you'll come across whenever you see like a lot of these preferreds is the share price will be lower because they need to make money, and the way they do that is to sell preferred shares or bonds.
Kind of like bonds, yeah.
So X out of that first. We want to look at the other stuff first.
Okay. So, whoa. Okay. So we got this chart thing
So
here.
it's at a 52-week low.
Yeah. 52-week low.
Let's scroll. Was it LSEG? You passed LSEG.
Sorry.
No.
925.
925. Okay.
And then we have, they don't pay a dividend.
We don't.
Non-GAAP, super negative.
That's
1.18%.
That's better. Scroll down to statement.
Better than negative 200.
So
for
their
sure.
debt has been about the same the last 2 years, so that's good. There's not a huge increase in debt. Okay, income. And they generate a lot of revenue for that little bit of debt.
Operating expenses.
Okay, click on the cash flow. Yeah, this one's a keeper.
Okay, cash flow keeper. Do I need to go anywhere else? What do you do here?
I just do the negative 1.18.
For what? This?
The profit margin, because that's what
Negative
the
1.18.
parent company has that.
Okay.
And this is, we're going to actually have to find out the price to earnings for LFMD because it wasn't on the sheet, so we're going to have to do a Google search.
Price to earnings. Okay. How do we do this?
So you go into Google and you go LFMD.
LFMD.
Price to earnings ratio.
Okay.
Forward P of around 1473.
So we're going to go with
Yeah.
1473?
Yeah.
Okay. 14.73 versus... Oh shit, I hit the caps lock again. And then we go back to the Schwab and click on the thingy.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm getting good at this. Maybe. Valuation? 94.
Mm-hmm.
Balls.
Let's see, like, I hope, like, I'll explain the difference. Like,
should I flag this as preferred?
94.000.
Do I need to put the .00?
Yes. And flag it as preferred.
How do I do that? Star?
Just type preferred.
Preferred. Okay.
The difference between LFMDP and the other one we looked at was that the other one had debt. It went from 58 million up to 75 million, and it was only making 9 million a year. So its debt to revenue was super high, whereas this one was making 220 million a year, and its debt was at like 18, but it was consistent at 18 for 2 years in a row. Because all you're basically looking for with preferred shares is the company going to be able to pay a dividend to the preferred shareholders.
Okay. 30,
I wouldn't say it's going to be high on the list, but it's something that's potential.
3038. Chart is up.
Mm-hmm.
So that's whatever. And then dividend is 75 cents quarterly.
Mm-hmm.
What did I say?
75. So it can't cover.
So it can't cover its dividend. Red flaggy.
Other things, but it has a profit margin of 46.
Positive 46%.
So look at its statements.
Okay, here.
It has no debt.
That's always interesting.
Yeah. But no revenue. What the?
That can't be right.
Okay.
I have no revenue.
Scroll up to the news section. Maybe they had earnings recently, so we can get a better understanding.
Dividend increase.
Just increased its dividend. Scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit. Click on 2.
To what?
I'm trying to find its last earnings. Here we're going to try to find earnings report on this one here.
Shouldn't we just Google that?
$35 price. $35 price target. So we're missing something. That the price target's gone up, the dividend's gone up.
You mean like this hasn't populated for some weird reason?
Yeah, go to the earnings portion. Well, not that. That's statements. Go to earnings. Do they have quarterly? Click on that. Show more. So it doesn't tell us shit. Huh. This is going to require some Sherlock on this one. There has to be a reason why the price target went up to 35.
Do we want to table this?
No.
No, we want to do it now.
Gotta find it.
I have piqued my interest. What the heck was this one?
MRO?
MRP.
MRP?
Should we GPT this thing?
Yeah, MRP.
GPT?
Just do it right there.
Okay, what do you want me to ask?
MRP earnings reports.
2025?
2025.
Why didn't it come up with... Very weird.
Okay, wait. Scroll up to the AI part. Why the hell would I read when I don't have to? Yeah, so like Schwab was
obviously not getting
wrong.
Updated for some reason.
So like you see right here, you have revenue of 179.3, and then you had adjusted AFFO of 74. Then you have quarter 2 revenue was 149, and AFFO of 6. So this one's actually a really good company.
This is how we find random stuff.
Why is Schwab being dumb?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll go back in there and we'll put everything in.
Specialized REIT.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, okay. I'm doing that thing you hate.
Just bouncing around with no rhyme or rhythm.
That thing you hate. 1942. I thought that was a preferred. Is this a preferred?
No.
Where the hell did you say preferred at?
I was talking about the preferred.
30.02. I gotta close out of that, right? Oh my god, what just happened? 30.02, 3808. 30.02, 30.02. 30.02, 3808.
And you saw that even like the 3808, so it seems a little high because like the experts that initiated coverage on this was $35. That was down in the notes there.
So 75 cent, 10.03.
1575 1003. 75 10.03.
Okay. And the profit margin, do they even have a profit margin on this?
We did. It's down.
12.38.
That's actually a really good one.
46.68.
Again, I know the profit margin is not what you look at. It's the AFFO. I get that. Don't yell at us.
There's a reason. That's intentional. TWO. This is just to get you started.
And then you do your own research. I'm just giving a list out of potential investments.
Two Habas. 10.
1056.
What's LSEG? 1009.
The chart looks like crap.
1090. That's like barely even under. Let's look down at other stuffs. 34 cents quarterly. 36 cents barely making.
Well, oh, it's gone.
Negative 20.
Yeah.
Profit margin. Delete. Okay. Lapa. I don't know why I like to say Lapa. Reminds me of llama for
I
some
know you
reason.
guys probably are thinking, like, well, that other one had a -1 that you have on the list, but that's because it's a preferred share. Preferred, again, are not the same as regular shares. So I'm okay with a -1% profit margin on a preferred share because as a preferred shareholder, you get paid before dividend shareholders do.
Ooh, that's a really low price. Ooh, that's a really bad chart.
It's a really bad chart.
Really bad chart. Doesn't even have an LSEG. We gonna nix it?
Oh, let's scroll down.
Petty shares, my favorite. I don't even see dividend earnings.
Scroll down some more.
Keep going. No net profit margin. No data.
279 million in debt. Click on income.
Can't believe you're entertaining this.
Nope, that one's bad.
I was gonna say.
But we have to do your due diligence.
Yeah. Because that's how you find stuff, right? BNS.
BNS is a good one.
Okay. Well, let's go through the stuff. BNS.
B.
God damn
As
it.
in boy, not
I really need
as in venereal
to
disease.
get. Really need to get my freaking keys back. I've worn them down to nothing. 73. Ooh. It's a
bit pricey.
yeah, 73.90 something. LSEG is 60.32. That's big red flag, right?
Yeah, but
Chart's going up. Doesn't mean it doesn't go on a watch list though. 80 cents ish. $1.40. That's good. Profit margin looks good. Consensus.
it's just overvalued. So let's double check in Yahoo Finance to verify that it's overvalued because sometimes LSEG is not good.
Yahoo. Sometimes they just say it.
Yeah, sometimes it's different. But generally, I find that the LSEG is good, but every now and then you'll come across
BNS.
one where like there's a huge disparity. It's like
Bank of Nova
you have to
Scotia.
figure out why.
Oh, Nova Scotia. I want to go. You said analysis.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. I actually remember stuff. Something about down here.
12% growth. That's crazy. This is a really good stock. I hope that it's not super overpriced, but
And then I click on.
analyst insights.
Okay, I wouldn't remember that. Almost. What are we at? That one? That one? That one?
Yeah, so what is that?
67.42?
67.
Is that the actual? 67.42. So this one I'd put on the watch list and wait for a freaking pullback.
Yeah, so we're going to do it.
So what are we doing?
We're going to put everything in and just mention this one should be on your watch list because it's a really good stock.
67.42.
67.42.
67.42. What was it at? Numbers.
70.
Do I need this? 20.56?
2056 is your profit margin. Now, like this is, I understand it's not one that you would invest in to get your dividend next week, but like the numbers on this one are really good.
But this is how we find watch list stuff. This is like why we do this without like input. We're just like, this helps us. So we do it and share it. Dividendy. What am I missing? Where'd the yield go for this? Am I like hallucinating? Yeah, I'm hallucinating. 4.35. I wonder if this is an aristocraty.
I doubt it.
4.35. I think that's what it said. 4.35.
I expect 2026 to be
80
bad for big
cents.
banks. I'm not sure if Bank of Nova Scotia is
Nova
is a
Scotia.
big bank or not. I don't know.
I don't even know if that was 5. Find out here in a second. Nope. Damn it. I guessed wrong. Chose poorly.
Poorly.
Chose poorly.
You chose wisely.
73.97. 73. Whoa. 73.97. Now, you want me to put a thing over here? Watch list.
Yeah.
List. Helps if I can freaking spell. Okay. FNLC.
No, you gotta do.
Oh. Nah.
Gotta do that. Come on.
Nah, 1577.
So what this is saying is it's not actually overvalued compared to its peers, but it is overvalued compared to its fundamentals.
FNLC. What's that mean?
Fucking no.
I thought you'd have some like sagey thing to say there. You barely did.
First National
Bank Corp. 26.56. That's a better price. That we like. LSEG, no data. Unacceptable.
Let's see what to go on. Woman.
Well, let's double check if this is even worth it. 37 quarterly, 5.7. Yeah.
That's all good.
No PE number. 36.
So a couple detective steps doing this one.
Oh, you want to look at this stuff?
That's good. Income's good. All right, yeah. We have to do some research.
Okay. So, what was it?
FNLC.
FNLC. Full nurse. Analyst?
Yeah, analysis, yes.
Whatever. Button. Nothing.
Nothing there.
I don't like that either. Oh, I'm not in the right chart. Nothing?
Nothing.
Well, what the hell then? Coming up goose eggs over here. Now what?
Go back into Schwab once.
Okay.
Scroll up, let me. So profit margin's good.
Should I add that in there?
No. Price to earnings. I don't know that one yet. So you have to go into Google and just do FNLC forward price to earnings.
FNLC
12 forward PE ratio.
12. PE ratio. What does that mean? No bueno?
I would put that on a watch list, but with no data, I would just nix it.
So, just what?
Delete it.
Delete it?
The reason we deleted that one, not because I don't think it's a good company, is like I would put it on my watch list, but we're doing a list for potential investments, and like you need more data on that one. Like you need to know the forward price to earnings, and like if they're not providing the forward PE, there could be something with their earnings reports where they're actually not giving any forward guidance, which is
sketchy.
Never good.
Yeah, 145. $134.
Mm-hmm. I believe this is a special dividend. Though. We can click on show more there. Then we're going to show you how you determine if it's special dividend or not. Scroll down a little bit. You see the upcoming dividend right there. It says $2 special.
Where we at? This one?
Yeah.
Amount special? Yeah, there it is right there.
Regular dividends 40 cents, so that's...
Those are fun to swoop in on if you can, if it makes sense.
If it makes sense, but let's...
But it's normally, 40 cents? We go back to the previous thing to make sure their thing matches? 40 cents?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we
X
out.
Yeah, 40 cents
56 cents. That was not
40 cents is
quarterly.
1%, so I guess the $2 special dividend would be 5% special dividend, which is pretty good.
That should have 2% profit margin.
So we just have to go into Yahoo Finance and verify that
Price value?
price value is...
You want to look at this?
Yeah, you're really looking at the debt and the revenue is ridiculous. That's $4 billion, and it only has $163 million in debt.
Okay, so we want to put this LSTR. What did I say? LSTR? Lester.
This is probably gonna be another watch list of what it looks like.
It's a high pricer. Whatever the hell that chart's supposed to be. Okay, what do we got? 21% next year?
That's a lot of revenue growth.
It's a lot. Analysts.
Yeah, so they say
134, 33.
33.
So do we actually add this to the list, or do you just...
No. You're gonna
delete it?
You're going to delete that.
Because it's ridiculously overvalued based on...
Well, it's because you're really adding like a 1% dividend to the list, which makes no sense because you're kind of at that point, you're hoping that you have a special dividend every time.
Yeah.
That makes up the difference.
And it's not worth getting into something that's that high when you get the dividend payout, it usually drops the value of the dividend per whatever.
So that's just a.
So if it was undervalued though, you get in that in a heartbeat to get that $2 one, wouldn't you? And then just wait till the price goes back up if you weren't going to stay in it. But
I would, but that's me.
yeah.
SARS.
SARS.
I think this is a good one.
SARS are always good. Saratoga.
I think this one's good.
This is a lot of capital markets. What the hell does that mean?
BDCs.
2023, 23.36. So it's like basically par-ish.
It's like $3 undervalued.
23.
Oh.
Don't
I
you?
You said 2023.
Yeah, well, I always screw up numbers when I'm speaking. So monthly, 25 cents.
So
that means
75. So that's actually really good for a BDC. That
is it?
Yeah.
For a P79.9, I bet you that's low too.
Yeah.
27 profit margin.
Yeah, that's a keep. Even though that's
even with whatever the hell's going on down here.
A little bit. Like BDCs generally have a lot more debt, so like you can't like the 794. So what you're basically
it's come down.
What
so
you're basically looking at is that it's consistent over the last year, and it's the last 3 years it's consistent,
well,
and
it's
the
still got
revenue's like doubled in the last 4.
Okay. So we're putting this on.
Yeah.
27.19.
The reason we're doing these live streams so you can see like the thought process that goes into like putting stuff on the list, and then maybe it'll tweak or peak something in your interest, like, oh, maybe I should incorporate that in my valuation of things. Not because I'm saying you should invest in all these. Like I said, I think this week's going to be really shit. I think next week's will be a banger, but this one's
12%, 12.95. That's low for BDC though, isn't it?
It's about average.
Did I say 95?
Yeah.
25 cents.
So 1.625 cents.
1/6/2026.
Shit, it was 23
something.
30 something.
36. 23.36. Oh, I did not get that right. No, I did get it right. 23.36.
So this is about fair value. So you're basically just investing in this one for a 13% monthly dividend yield.
Or
you just want to make sure that everything else
checks water.
Warrants that.
Checks water. Checks out. Holds water.
I think as a BDC, 23 is a bit
24.50.
Was a bit overpriced, but
really?
Well, you have to think like the main is pretty good, but like ARCC, which is the largest by assets under management, it's $20, and you have Capital Southwest, which is CSWC, which is one of the better BDCs, is at like $23 itself.
Do that again.
So
BDM.
like, would I rather have Capital Southwest or Saratoga? Capital Southwest has far superior numbers.
Okay, Brandywine.
Shit.
Yeah, $3. $4.34.
It's a 25% increase.
Okay, trailing down chart. 8 cent, 10%. Holy hell!
They just cut their dividend though. If you saw that,
I did not. Known gap.
-15 is pretty bad.
Yeah. Is that
but like, you scroll back up here, like this is a really quick. I just noticed how real quickly I found that they cut their dividend.
Half. They cut it in half. Did a 50%.
Yeah, that one's off the list. You don't have to look at anything else.
Negative 38% profit margin.
Literally, I could.
I don't care. I wanted to see if it was negative.
Just
Opera.
Opera's on the list.
You're like, it's on.
It's on the list because
reasons.
Just reasons, yeah.
What's going on here? Did I spell that wrong?
OPRA.
Didn't highlight for me. But
I don't understand.
What happened over here?
I don't know.
It's the same thing. Opera's only $14.33.
It is.
I would have thought that 25.5.
Yeah.
We already know this is on here, right?
I already know it's on here.
14.33.
The reason I know it's on here, not so much from the dividend payout, but I just like the fact that you can make like, what is that, $11? Like it's almost 100% gain in a year, potentially.
25.5.
And you're getting a dividend on top of that from this company's severely undervalued. You'll see here when we run through the numbers.
Okay, dividend 40 cents. Semi-annual. Oh, twice a year. We just talked about that.
Yeah, it's only twice a year, so it's January and July, I guess, but whatever.
5.5. 5.5.
So you have to
what was it? 40 cents.
Yeah, 5.5% on an internet stock is really good yield.
Right. Something that should be a growth stock paying that much for a dividend, that's a lot.
Mm-hmm. So that might be why
7.
the share price has depreciated so much. We don't know. It's a Norwegian company, so we don't really know why the price depreciated as much as it did. Probably because.
And even if they cut the dividend completely and they still go up that much in value, if you get into it while it's this low.
Like, I'm not worried that, like, it says that the gap can't cover it. I'm not worried.
It says that the gap can't. Oh my God.
Yeah,
you're like, this is an outlier. We don't even care.
I don't even care.
30%, 30.92. You're like, this one breaks all the rules. We don't even care.
Because it's growth. They could cut the dividend to 0. I don't care.
11.7.
Or they could cut the dividend in half, which would be then covered by that.
So this goes back to macro trends, which we talked about in our 2024 predictions that we just did on our podcast episode.
We have to think that it's 30 cents for the quarter. So if it had 2 quarters, it would be 60 cents. And its dividends only, and it's once.
There's no button here. How do I do this?
Oh, okay. You need to go into, okay, let's go back, scroll down so I can explain that. It's not that we're making, that's 30 cents the last quarter. So, like, you look at the last 2 quarters, it's 56 cents. And the dividend's 40 cents. It's paid every 6 months. So it doesn't matter that
Oh, because it's actually a 6-monther, so it's actually different.
So I just wanted to verify that.
Okay.
Then you want to go up to the.
So it actually isn't below. I was doing that screwed up math thing for apples to apples-ing. And then what?
You want to go into the toolbar and you want to do.
In here? Or you mean in Google?
In Google.
Okay.
What is it called? You want to do.
Tech?
PE by sector comparison.
By sector comparison.
And there should be something called.
Top private equity.
Full ratio. There you go. PE ratio by industry.
Okay.
Is that with software? Is that what that said?
Software, NASDAQ.
Okay.
Software.
So it's going to be
application,
yes.
3377.
3377. The reason it's not hard off infrastructure is because like most of the Opera stuff is applications. It's apps on your stuff. But do you see why I don't even care what the rate? Like, go back to that.
Because it's insane.
Its sector average is 3 times as much, and its share price is like 100% less than where it should be. This one's severely undervalued. That's why I don't even care about.
That's going to get probably the number 1 slot. Wow.
Main Street Capital is usually pretty good.
I was going to say.
I think Main Street's
I know Main Street. And Main Street came back down, right?
A little bit.
Because that was on something recently, or I heard you say something, or I'm confusing that with another one.
We sold this at $65. $66. We sold it.
61.86 is fair.
Yeah, like this one's.
This is on the list, right?
Yeah, it's on the list.
Well, damn it. 60.18. 60.18.
This is probably the
61 something.
One of the top 3 best BDCs.
86. Okay. There's that. And then we're going to go down.
But what you did know is we talked about last week.
What you didn't know, they increased dividend.
MSIF is another Main Street Capital one.
Why does that say 26, but it says...
That was a special dividend for 30 cents.
Ah, okay. So 26.
This one drops a lot of special dividends.
5.22.
So 1.826, 5.22.
1.8. What'd you say?
26. 5 point, whatever the hell it was, 5.2.
I don't remember. 2.2. Yeah.
2.2.
Okay. Then we just need our other stuffs.
Earnings of 97 cents.
97
That's
cents.
26, and 26 is 52. Plus 26 is 88, so it covers it.
Covers it. Okay. 15.27. 15.27 versus people yelling in the background. This family is so loud. 95.59. Oh, here we go. Do you need to look at any of the income statements and all that fun stuff?
The debt's increased a lot, so that's never a good thing. But again, the BDCs have a high
that
amount
kind of
of
makes
debt.
sense, though, again, because of like lending and whatever. But I imagine they'll restructure their debt with interest rates coming down.
It's fine.
You're like, it's good. It's good.
It's fine. Like, once you do this, you'll understand there's like certain ones that...
All right, so we're good on that one. Tigo.
You gotta get the... So that's a BDC.
Oh, yeah.
So that would be the same as SAR, 24.
So I can just use it?
Yeah, 2450.
2450. I love shortcuts.
Now that one, the problem with Main Street Capital is its NAV to price is getting pretty, like
Overvalued.
Like anytime that's like two to 1, you want to sell it. That's what we did.
That's why we got out at 65.
That's why we sold
right?
it. Yeah, we sold
2
it
to
at
1.
65. It was a 2 to 1, and now it's at like I think it's like 1.7.
Yeah, so that was actually above. So you got out. We sold the whole thing off.
Yeah.
Locked in profits and then churned it over into something else. We do those churnovers quite frequently with things because there's always better investing opportunities, and we do the same thing Warren Buffett does with contrarian.
You gotta get good value for
Tigo.
Like, would I hold Main Street Capital for like 30 years? I mean, probably, but
if we had oodles of cash, we wouldn't even
have to worry
bother.
about it.
Right, but because we have a lower actual like investing chunk, because we were only working with like 100,000 at the point, like churning that capital over becomes like a hybridized strategy you kind of need to implement if you're trying to grow.
I'm assuming most people watching us have a need for a hybridized strategy.
Exactly. 55.17. 58. Whoosh.
That went up a lot.
Yeah, it did. Yeah. What is this thing? Wireless telecommunication. Okay. Special? 75 quarterly. 58. Not even close.
It looks like they've been able to cover it for a hot minute.
Yeah, I wonder what's going on with their.
They have enough money to do it.
Don't know. Find out.
Debt's gone down a lot, substantially, since after COVID. Revenue's gone up, so like I wonder why. This one will be on the list. I just don't know why.
You don't know why it'll be on the list?
I don't know why their gap is like that.
So you would still put this on?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna make a note?
Well, we'll make a note that this should be a watch list, or if you're feeling froggy, because it does have a pretty good profit margin. So I don't know why they're.
Don't know. Stranger things.
EPS is so low compared to their dividend, but it's been like that for a couple quarters now.
4.53, 5.43.
So that's the one I have to research more before I type it up.
Should I put a star next to it?
Yeah, just do. You're in the wrong one. Oh, no, you're not. Okay, yeah.
No, I'm not. Don't even tell me things that you're wrong about.
75 cents. Okay.
Do you want me to label it something different?
No, it's fine. I know. I'll know too.
Really? With that short-term memory thing you got going on?
Yeah.
5509.
We have to go into Yahoo and to verify that
50.8
is accurate.
I'm still going to put it in here for now. And does this have a button? Do we have a button? Yes. I like when we have buttons.
Well, makes it super nice.
Super easy. I love Schwab. 20.05.
So with those numbers, that price should be
Tigo.
like,
come on,
57.50 around there.
Tigo, Tigo, Tigo.
And Tigo was his name. Oh,
Tigo was his name. Oh, analysis. What are we looking at here? 14.5% growth.
That's a lot of revenue growth again. Like there's something that doesn't add up here. Unless they had like a one-off or something.
52.35. That's better than the other one. Should I put that one in?
Yeah, 52.35.
52.35. Okay. CHBH. Any other comments?
No, I'll have to research that one off camera and figure out why the EPS is so
questionable. Crocon.
Bank shares.
Crocon. That's a fun name. Crocon.
That one's.
What am I doing? 53. LSEG nothing. Should I Crocon that? Ooh. Ooh, it's 0.6. 4%. 60. 1.6. What was this? Monthly? No, quarterly. So that's look at that.
Yeah, so there's a lot of research that needs to be done on this one.
A lot.
Yeah, because gotta figure out where the PE's at.
Okay.
No debt. So it's about even. Okay. So go into Yahoo Finance.
Yahoo.
Type that one in.
CHPH? Is that what it was? Crocom. Analysis. Does PE in here? Nothing.
Nothing. This doesn't bode well.
Does not. Crocan. What are you doing? Nothing.
Nothing.
Are we Googling this?
Yeah.
Crocan. CHBH. What do you want? PE?
PE, forward PE.
12-month forward PE ratio. God damn it, if I would help if I could spell. Whoa. It's actually hard to do this with hands and such. Not available. 12-month earnings based on 12-month earnings. Probably 9.87. Okay.
So there's no financial people covering this, so.
Doesn't mean it's bad, does it?
No.
It just means it's an underground. 9.87.
It's 12 months trailing. Just put that in, 9.87. I'll do more research off camera.
You're curious about this because...
Because it has like, all the other numbers are good.
Do you want the versus thing in here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to do this off camera.
Because like the debt's decent.
Something's not adding up. So sometimes Schwabi fails us, but it's better than having a 1534. Did we have... I can't remember. 5003, 5303.
5303.
We have no idea about the other one.
No.
You'll have to look at price.
But I'm assuming this won't make the list. I just have to figure out why. It's
60 cents.
yeah.
09.
196449.
What was it? 60?
6449.
4.49. And profit, was that even on here? I can't remember. 2437.
But you see, like, why I have to research this one further is if you go scroll back down to the earnings chart, like you commented, it went straight up to the right. That's
Right.
That's crazy.
Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. I like that. That looks very nice. And that's a big, big gap. Like, they have severely covering.
Yeah, so I'm going to do research on that one. So I
Dividend.
guess if you want to know about that, just sign up for the
Sign
email.
up for the email. You'll find out. GIS.
Well, this is a super popular stock.
GIS?
GIS. I personally don't like it, or it'd be in my portfolio.
Oh, General Mills. Okay. Now I understand. 46.96. Ooh, that's a not very nice chart.
It's like perfect time to buy it.
What the hell's LSEG? 53. 46. Am I putting this on the list probably? We don't know yet.
I don't know
61 quarterly.
Apparently, yeah. It's on the list.
Did you say yes?
Yeah.
13. Yeah, is evaded. Do you need to look at this? I was going to say they have to hand over fist.
Yeah, they have
Look at
more than
those.
enough revenue to cover their debt.
1382.
Like, I can't believe their profit margin's that high. Holy crap.
Hold on. Wait. What?
I can't believe they have a almost 14% profit margin, net profit margin.
You mean on their...
For like, if you look at that stock chart, it looks like death happened.
Yeah, it did look like death happened. They're still losing that much. What is this? I did not click on you. 12.71. No! No means no.
1271. What are you doing?
I'm having problems because I clicked on stuff that's not supposed to.
1271.
I just apparently just hit random keys. I don't know why you tell me to be the one that entering numbers. Lets you look, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
5.2.
19.
Always the gawker. I just lost my brain. 5.2. Oh my god. I'm tired.
1961.
19/2026.
I gotta figure out some prices now. Let's see what we got here. I can't believe that chart looks like the end of the world.
53.47.
Yeah.
Do you want me to double check that price in the doohickey?
You can,
46.67.
yeah. 'Cause
Or do you think that that's good?
I don't know. Like, I'd have to.
Gis. I'd actually be curious to see what their growth thingy is.
It's ridiculous amounts of EPS growth.
Look at that. Gratuitous amounts. 1.9.
2% growth on
Okay.
$26 billion.
But on a big company like that, that's actually more sustainable. 52.85, 58, 52, 58. So it's lower. Do you want me to change it?
Yeah.
52, 58. Okay.
The reason that we did that, if you go back to Schwab or Yahoo ones, you see that there's, what is that, 30 some different analysts covering General Mills, 21 analysts covering General Mills. That's what the number up top is. Whereas when you're into Schwab, it's like that LSAG could be just one person's computation. So anytime there's 21 analysts that have
So then why don't we do this for everyone?
Because we could. When I use my computer, though, for whatever reason, Yahoo Finance has like a 20-minute lag. Let me find the sector average real quick of food products.
Thank you for reminding me. I almost put in the new one again. I always forget to do this. 35.38.
This one's severely undervalued. Holy shit. Okay, this one probably could be close to number one. That's really
CRG.
good numbers. KRG.
Yeah, that. KRG.
Kite Realty. I can say I've never heard of this one.
Retail REITs. We already have one for that, right?
I don't know. I can't remember things.
35.58.
35.58.
I'm putting it in here anyway.
We don't have that in there.
Okay. I'm just doing this because I always forget to do that. Okay. 2407. 25.91. That's a nice sideways chart. Yes. Very nice.
I like that chart.
Very nice. It's a huge volume spike right there. That didn't go anywhere.
So something happened on the 20th of December.
News? Declares special cash dividend. Ah, that'd be it right there. So
29 cents.
Negative.
I have to research this one too. What the fuck?
Negative 4.83.
This might be one of those FFOs versus
17.
Because it's a real, like this
real REIT thingy. Okay.
Debt went up a lot.
We have
The
a
revenue went up a lot.
We have a lot of revenue.
Okay, put on the list.
7.67.
I'm pretty sure if we typed in KRG's FFO, it covers that dividend.
What just happened? 6.7? That's what I said? Okay. 38.82. That's not good.
Yeah, that's not good.
That's off.
We'll actually get rid of it for that reason, actually.
Get rid of it?
Yeah.
Delete.
So what are we end up with?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, we ended up with 10, even with that crappy list.
Woo! You were worried about hitting it.
So there's that list. I mean, honestly, like...
even though that's what
maybe
would you
the
say,
top
watch list?
Top 3 of this one would be...
questionable. Are you going to reorder them? Take it away.
Oh, okay.
Maestro. Hold on. Let me double check, see if we have any comments. No comments. Okay, guys.
And then we're going to put these
Work in the shadows, by all means.
Put these in order now.
What the hell just happened? I don't know how to work this damn computer. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Do your thing.
So...
Explain what you're doing and why. So people understand.
I like the profit margins to be up top. The larger the profit margin,
the better. So Maine did take the number 1 slotty. Oh, that beat out the hell Opera. Kind of not surprised there, to be honest, because that's like a different animal.
Yeah, but this one...
Opera is 3. So it was in the top 3.
That's a preferred share that yields 10%. So
but it's got that negative 1.8.
We'll put that down here somewhere. General Mills is pretty good.
I didn't like that chart, but
so that
could turn around.
But Bank of Nova Scotia is going to go down here. Just because it's
Stop mumbling.
Bank of Nova Scotia goes down there because it's overvalued.
Overvalued. Okay. But that's still watch list material. Yeah, that should be bottom. I thought you'd have to prefer it up higher. Oh, there you go. Never mind. CHBH question.
This one could change if I determine what this Bio2 price is.
Right. You said you liked a lot of the other stuff in that one. I'd actually be curious to know if that's a dividend grower.
There we go. That's the list.
Tigo! Number... whatever that is.
There's our top 10 list for next week. If I was honestly, if you don't have money or you don't feel comfortable with the top 4, I would just hold on to your cash because I can tell you right now without shadow of a doubt that the
week is going to have a lot more.
Following weeks is going to be a banger.
Yeah, way better stuff. So, yeah, and Maine, like we said, probably.
I mean, we can show you real quick why I say that. Go to the dividend page once.
Oh, the one I deleted?
Investing.com.
Oh, the one I deleted?
Why'd you delete it for?
Or wait, no. Is it in the other one? Hold on. Oh, I did. Damn it, you. Investing.
Dividend calendar right there.
What? Okay. We're going to get a pop-up because everybody's a... I'm going to increase this again because reasons.
Okay. Just click on the calendar once.
I'm getting there.
Go from the 10th to the 17th. I just know that this week there'll be some bangers.
ERC.
ECC. AT&T. UVV. Verizon.
Yeah, Verizon's a big one.
A bunch of closed-ended funds right there. Yeah, so this week is much better if you have cash to deploy.
I don't know if MSM's one, but I recognize that from a supplement.
There's a Capital Southwest I was just talking about, CSWC.
BKE. Choco.
Yeah, so if you have
GNT.
money, if you have money to, what is that one?
What? Kanye.
HCXY.
Hercules Capital.
Type that into Schwab ones.
HCXY.
HCXY. I've never seen that ticker before.
It's a knockoff.
I'm all for Hercules
Other
Capital
Hercules
stuff.
Capitals. What are you?
It's a preferred share of Hercules. Oh.
Shut the fuck up.
It's overvalued. That's why I've never seen it.
Face value, yeah, you don't want to buy over par. But what's their stock price here? If you come down here, 24, that doesn't really go under par too much. Does this have the, no, it doesn't, does it?
Interesting. Anyway, so
5 year?
If you have money to deploy and you don't feel comfortable with the top 4, what I'm saying is the week following is going to have a pretty good list.
Look at that dippy dip. Oh.
And I got sidetracked, sorry. I'm like, a shiny object? What's this?
It happens. Trinity?
SPMC, there's Trinity Capital. SRV, which is a banger.
I feel like we just did EOG. But maybe I'm... Horizon? I think you just said that. I wasn't listening to you, as usual.
Oxford Lane's a pretty big yield. You see that some of these are super big yields.
Uh-huh.
And
Williams-Sonoma.
We'll go through them next week. Live.
Quaker Chemical. I'm sorry, that makes me giggle.
Do you have any questions before we sign off?
Let's check it out. Or not check it out, because I apparently can't click on the right tab because we're in weird things. Okay. So, no questions?
No questions.
So again, you guys can continue to lurk or whatever. We're going to do this regardless because we do it on our own anyway. So if you have any questions or if you ever want us to analyze a ticker, just let us know. Drop it in the chat.
Watch and type in live or just type in afterwards. And if we get any...
I should have probably checked to see if there was any questions or comments on the last one. Give me a minutin. I will check that right before we sign off. Because, yeah. We're usually last minute starting these things because reasons. How do we do lives? God, I wish I knew how to navigate things. Live, there we go. Do we have any comments? Nope, no comments. Okay, we had no comments on the last one, so...
No comments.
You guys watch this after the fact and have comments or have ones you want us to analyze, let us know. We'll do it on the next one, and I'll check that beforehand. So, otherwise...
Namaste.
Namaste.
See you guys next week.
Toodles. Stop. Nobody cares about your Grinch ball head.
It's the Grinch, dude. Everyone loves the Grinch.
But where's the nose pokey? Boop, 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 boop.